So this is what we're working with, or this is what I'm working with in the morning when I get up. And what we're gonna do from here is I'm gonna walk you through my general daily beard care routine. Actually, pretty much my get ready routine for the most part, but we'll focus on the beard. And with that being said, I know everyone is different in regard to their beard care routine. So if there's anything that I do, if there's anything that I don't do that you happen to do, please let us know in the comment section below. But right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower. I'm going to wash my beard and condition my beard. Now, here's a little pro tip. Something that I've learned along the way is when you are washing and conditioning your beard, as well as putting oil and perhaps balm in your beard, don't use your nails. Use the pads of your fingertips, because if you use your nails, that tends to be more stressful on your beard, and there's more of a predisposition for your hair to fall out with that added extra stress. So enough talk, more action. I'm gonna jump in the shower and be right back. All right, so now shower is done, the beard is pat dried. Now, again, this will go back to avoiding unnecessary stress on your beard. Make sure when you are drying off your beard that it's a pat dry for the most part. That way we're avoiding that unnecessary stress. Now, in regard to the shower and washing and conditioning your beard, I get this question a lot. How many times are you supposed to wash and condition your beard? It's very subjective. It's very specific to the individual. Personally, I wash my beard every day, and that's because generally speaking, I work out every day. And if I don't work out, perhaps it's a cheat day, I go out and I just stuff my face with like waffles in the morning or something else dirty at night. My beard gets dirty from the food I consume. So for the most part, 99.9% of the time, I'm washing my beard every day. But again, it's very specific to the individual. And even me, perhaps, when I'm out on the road, let's say on a van trip, and I'm not too active and I'm surfing in the day, so that's generally on my washing the beard for the most part. I won't wash my beard every day then. And there's those out there that they'll maybe wash their beard 2 to 3 days a week, and that will more than suffice for them. It's very specific to the individual. So I'm sorry, that probably doesn't help in regard to the question, or maybe it does. Just the point to take away from that is it's purely specific to the individual. Everybody produces oils differently. They have different daily activities, and they have different eating habits, let's say. So yeah, so there's that. Now, after I've gotten out of the shower and I've pat dried my beard, the next thing that I do, I grab a brush, and what I'll do is kind of train the beard. There's spaces, there's places in your beard where there can be dents under your chin, at your jawline. And what I do is I grab this brush right here and I just kind of turn it out. And this isn't anything fancy right here. So right here, so it's more so like puffing out the beard right there. And then I'll kind of lightly go over the top to kind of train my beard hairs to go down. So there's that. Next thing I'll do is I'll take it to the stash. So brushing it to the side. And again, this is kind of being proactive. This is kind of, it's training your beard so you don't have to do so much upkeep later on in the day. Next step, beard oil. Kind of, that was a spoiler alert. So with beard oil, so this is what I'm using right here. But this, for example, Viking Storm, you cannot go wrong. I personally don't know anyone who does not like this scent. So again, the beard struggle, Viking Storm is the scent of this beard oil. Now let's get into using this. You go ahead, you rub it in your hand, and then you place it in your beard. Now, when you are rubbing beard oil into your beard, a common misconception is that you're only supposed to put it into your beard hair. However, you're supposed to rub it down into your skin, because one thing that people generally complain about is itchy beards. And a lot of times it deals with itchy skin because it's dry, because your skin generally only produces so much oil. And when you do start growing a beard, that oil goes onto your beard hair and kind of more or less soaks up all of that oil that your skin ordinarily has on it. So that's the reason, one of the reasons why your skin may be itching if you are growing out your beard. So we have that. So we put it in the beard. You go ahead, you grab a brush, but it's not going to be like this brush right here. It's going to be a boar's hair brush. So the reason why I use this is that it spreads the oil evenly throughout your beard. It's not necessary, but if you want to level up your beard care, it will improve your beard care and the conditioning of your beard. So go like this, and like this. There we go. And something else that I like to use this brush with is my hair. So if I happen to have flyaways up here, I just go ahead, and because there's oil residue on these bristles, that'll actually help with keeping those flyaways down in the top or on the top of my head. All right. So the beard, it's looking relatively good. I'm digging it. The mustache, it looks all right. Now, the next step in my daily beard care routine is I use Beard Balm. Now, the difference between Beard Balm and beard oil, they have all the same ingredients generally. There's one thing that differs between the two, and that's beeswax. Beeswax, it has a kind of a shaping and a form factor to it, so I like to throw this into my mustache because this helps with the presentation of the mustache. It helps kind of keep it together, and you can shape it a tad bit. And there's sometimes where I'll put it in my beard to help kind of give it more of a sleek look, a laid down look. But for the most part, I like to have a natural looking beard and then just put that beard balm in the mustache. I'll do it right now. Warm it up a little bit. All right, so there we go. Hopefully you can tell. So the mustache is a little more put together. The hairs are sticking together. Now that's all a matter of preference. Sometimes I don't put beard balm in my mustache whatsoever, but generally when I am going out and about in town, I do like to have that little extra touch to the beard for the overall presentation. All right. And other times I will put the rest of this balm in my hair, but for right now, I'm not going anywhere. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just wash my hands off. All right, now if you wanna get super fancy, and I know I said this is my general beard care routine, and I don't do this every day, but if you wanna get super fancy, you pick yourself up a beard straightener. Now this is a heated beard brush with a volumizer and a pick for your mustache. And I don't use this all the time, but when, let's say it's a black tie event and I am suited and booted, I will straighten my beard just to go along with an overall sleek look. But again, I don't use this every day, so I won't use this for this video. All right, so just like I was saying in the beginning of the video, everyone is different in regard to their beard care routine. So if there's something that I didn't do that you think we should know about, please let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you're looking for beard care products and you want a discount, head over to thebeardstruggle.com and use my discount code. It's Dan's Beard, D-A-N-Z, Beard, all one word, and you get up to 60% off, but no lower than 20% off. So check that out. And also one last thing, if I don't see you before the new year, Happy New Year, and I'm wishing each and every one of you the best of the best in the new year to come. And as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps entertaining. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. It helps out the channel. Until the next video, peace! We out.